So I'm here with Mou Saha, and she has a great tip for reverse stamping, because essentially we usually think of stamping as when you take paint or ink and then stamp it on something, but you're doing the opposite of that.
Yes, I'm doing the exact opposite. Starting with a glossy photo paper or glossy cardstock will do. I'm wiping it down with a baby wipe.
And that's just to make sure there's no oils, I assume, or anything else on top
It's just
of there?
the moisture helps.
Oh, it's the moisture, so
yeah.
you want a really wet, juicy baby wipe then.
Yes, and then I am going to put some paints down.
You're just using an acrylic paint, something that's like a light, sort of thin, fluid acrylic.
Yes, it's a fluid acrylic, and I am just going to drag it in one direction because...
You are using a wet brush as well, which I noticed. Now, you're using rubber stamps that I see out here, as opposed to, let's say, silicone or anything else, but will this work with any stamp, or does it have to be rubber?
It's better if it's a rubber stamp or a foam stamp. And you put this down and you lift off.
Pushing it in, and then you get the cool benefit, which is, I know you're wiping that stamp off, but I tend to take a second piece of paper and stamp it on.
I do that too.
Which I think is cool.
We just need to move really fast on this one, so.
Okay, there you go. Ooh, and we can
that?
see one that's completely dried,
This
where
one's
of course
dry.
it has melted away, it seems like, or removed it, so we're stamping off instead of on, and there's your beautiful card
And then you can use
that
it on
shows
anything
that.
you like.
It's a super cute idea. I love it, and I hope that you will try it too.